Welcome to your journey into meditation with Stephan. Today, we delve into the profound benefits that this ancient practice offers. Meditation is a powerful tool in managing stress, harnessing its capability to slow down our racing thoughts and ground us in the present moment. This natural form of stress relief enhances your overall mental clarity and focus, making daily tasks more manageable and improving your concentration. Beyond these practical benefits, meditation also nurtures your overall well-being, fostering a stronger connection with your inner self and enhancing emotional stability. Creating a serene space is essential for effective meditation. Begin by choosing a quiet corner that imbues calmness. Lighting plays a key role. Soft, natural light or dimmed lamps can set the right mood. Comfortable seating is crucial, be it a meditation cushion, chair, or mat, ensuring it supports your posture without causing discomfort. Equally important is the elimination of distractions. This might mean turning off electronic devices, or clearing any clutter from your space, allowing your mind to focus solely on the meditative process. These steps collectively craft an environment that enhances your meditation experience. Stephan guides us through the core pillars of meditation, breathing methods and mindfulness. Focusing on your breath is a fundamental technique, serving as an anchor to the present moment. This involves observing each inhalation and exhalation, promoting relaxation and mental clarity. Mindfulness extends this awareness to your thoughts and surroundings without judgment, teaching you to calmly acknowledge and release distractions. Proper posture is also crucial, ensuring you sit comfortably yet alert, thus preventing strain and benefiting your practice. Effective thought management, cultivated through these techniques, helps in achieving deeper levels of peace and focus during meditation. Join Stephan in a guided meditation session, designed to practice and reinforce the techniques you've learned. This session invites you to actively participate, integrating breathing methods and mindfulness into a cohesive practice. Stephan's guidance helps you understand how to apply these techniques effectively, encouraging focus on breath and present sensations. This shared meditation experience not only deepens your own practice but also connects you with the collective energy of all participants. It's an opportunity to experience real-time feedback and the calming influence of a meditative state, enhancing your skills and confidence in your meditation journey. In the Q&A segment, Stephan addresses frequent inquiries about meditation, providing invaluable tips to seamlessly blend this practice into your daily routine. He emphasizes the importance of consistency, suggesting setting a specific time each day for meditation to cultivate a habit. Stephan also discusses strategies to overcome common challenges beginners face, such as dealing with distractions and maintaining focus. By following these practical steps, you can build a sustainable meditation routine that fits into your lifestyle, ensuring you reap the benefits of improved mental clarity, stress reduction, and emotional stability on a regular basis.